Oh boy, it's almost getting time to go to sleep. Better create my sleep routine. So, I start my sleep routine typically about an hour before I go to bed, and that means shutting off my phone and all electronic devices, not doing TV, internet, anything like that about an hour before. As you can probably guess, I'm actually filming this in the middle of the day. So, I'm not going to be shutting off my phone anytime soon right now. And then what I do is I get dressed in my pajamas, or sometimes I will actually do my infrared sauna right before. So I do that, then I'm drinking some water, brushing my teeth, getting my pajamas on, all that kind of stuff. And then I right before I go to bed, I use this lovely Serenity stick. Will rub it on like my throat and wrist area. Then I also have some different supplements, including like an internal Serenity capsule that contains some things like tart cherry and lavender and other things to help me sleep. And then I also take a magnesium and turmeric capsule, which I find really helps. Turmeric helps with pain, and I have arthritis and things issues, so sometimes we'll get pain in the middle of the night if I don't take something to help me sleep. Then I usually will wind down by reading a book or some scriptures, prayer, meditation, different things like that. In a nutshell, that is how I prepare for sleep with sleep routine. If you want to learn more about that, I have some resources, both free and paid, that I will include as links with this video.